Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link will be down below. Get one of these at a low cost. Take advantage of the fast and free shipping, and they'll ship this to you in no time. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. And if you like this item, click the link, add it to your cart right now. Check out, and they'll ship this to you fast. And if you have time, see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. But like I said, if you like this item, click the link, add it to your cart, and check out. Here we go. What is this? Oh boy. Alright. Something new. Oh, my globe went spinning. Alright, I'm going to put this big box down. Oops. Oh boy. The world is spinning. Where are we? There we are. Alright, sorry about that, guys. We got another box. This is coming from MyCloud. Ooh la la. So definitely check these guys out for your bedroom setup. And go. Double put this good. Not sure what this is, but we'll take a look. Catch a little surprise. There we go. Oh, come on. 2 seconds, guys. Bear with me. There we go. One snip. Another snip. Alright, we got him out. Now it's got to pull out. Oh, they got it vacuum sealed good. Alright, here we go. It is a comforter. So if you guys are in need of a new comforter, I would definitely suggest these guys. Oh, look at this. You can get a little travel bag. That's pretty cool. Bonus. Comforter. And like I said, they probably sure they got like kings, queen, or this is a queen. Kings, queens, and the others. Full and stuff like that. So just check it out. Click the link and pick your style and then pick your size. Pretty simple. I like this color. Here we go. Let's rock and roll. I'm definitely gonna throw it in the wash. So I mean, if you want to, you might as well do it. Unless you're in a really hurry, it should be all right. But I'm actually doing my laundry right now, so definitely gonna toss this in the wash and put it on my bed. Ooh, this feels nice. I like this. Winter's coming, so this will be nice and warm. Oh yeah, this looks super comfy. Got the Goose. The Goose. Under, do not remove. I think it's a normal wash you could do. But, oh yeah, we're definitely gonna show it. Like I said, I just got to, throw this in the wash right now, and once it's done, I'll be right back, and you'll see it on the bed. Alrighty, YouTubers, here we are. We got the Goose. It is definitely loose. You guys gotta check them out. Link will be down below. Order now. Get this shipped to you fast. These are selling out. These are the best ones right now on Amazon to get for the Goose. Really comfortable, guys. Nice color. Just pick your size and choose your style. So, but yeah, definitely really smooth. I just gotta dry it, so it might be a little wet here and there. But I got the heat going, so I got one of those 8 sleep pods mattresses. Definitely check that out. Link will be down below for the mattress. But definitely excited to try this out tonight. And like I said, this will be a good gift to give to yourself. Housewarming gift to somebody. Christmas is coming around the corner. Here we go. But this is a queen size, so definitely the king's going to be huge. This is definitely a nice one to get, though. Super comfy, guys. Like I said, I can't wait to test it out tonight. Hopefully get a couple hours of sleep in, if I'm lucky. But definitely check them out. Alright, YouTubers, be safe. Have a good night. See you soon.